How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages on Android phone. First, just try to restart your phone. Maybe your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then check your internet connection. Go to apps, go to apps, and then apps and messenger. Now just check this one here, data usage, all of those here, enable all of those here, and go to storage and click clear cache, and then force stop here. Now just try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.